Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. The easiest and the fastest way is to swipe from the top again, and by default this option should be right here. And here it is. Do Not Disturb is now turned on. But if this shortcut is not here for whatever reason, we need to go to Settings. Then we are looking for notifications, as you can see here, and our Do Not Disturb is in here. Turn it on, and now our DND is on and we will not be disturbed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.